drought situation in the Somali region has reached its worst point. Livestock and animal deaths have reached record highs. People are now dying of hunger and malnutrition. The humanitarian situation is dire and cannot be addressed by the Somali regional state and Ethiopia alone. We call on the international community to come to the rescue. This is Xaraareey district, which is one of the worst affected areas by the drought. The municipality is trying to distribute food. They also distributed some grass to the pastoralists. Xaraareey district administration is working hard, but they are not able to do much about the drought situation, and they do not have enough budget to deal with the drought.